Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anil Sani. Today I am showing you how to buy domain name on Namecheap. Let's get started. Call name Namecheap. This is a search bar of Namecheap and you can search your domain name for you. For example, I search review, demo and bonus.com. Let's check this is available or not. Okay, good guys, this is available for, and let's check and go to add to cart. As you can other name extensions if you like .ors, bot.net, .me, and there are many extensions, but I recommended only you can choose .com domain. So go to cart of this and go view cart. I have a coupon, they save me 5% off. This coupon name is HONE by Honey, and apply that and extra 5% off this domain. And let's confirm order. Create your account. You put it your username and your password and your name and your email address and create to continue. I have already this account, so I am login my account. Just wait guys. Now enter your payment information. Namecheap allow to various type of payment option. You can choose PayPal option and also your credit card, and then I use PayPal. Then click to continue and just wait guys. I payment this process, then I connect again. Just wait. My order will be processed by authenticating. And thank you for your purchase. Ready to use, and go to my dashboard. My domain name is available from this. Thank you guys. If you like this video, click this like button and subscribe my channel for next these small type tutorials. Thank you so much guys. Bye.